Question 5 is, what is your minimum monthly payment? I ask this simply because, as you may know, paying the minimum monthly payment on your credit cards will keep you paying on those same balances for at least 20 years. This is because the credit card companies only charge you 2% of your total outstanding balance each month. To help you get your mind around this concept, think about the money you owe as being 100% of your debt. Now, if you only pay the minimum 2% required every month, you'll still be paying off that account, in fact, that balance in 20 years. One of my clients, Deborah, had been paying the minimum monthly payments on time on one of her credit cards with the same bank since 1987. Deborah got her loan in college, and since then, Deborah's been married and has had a child of her own who is now in college. 20 years later, in August of 2007, when Deborah called me, she was still paying off the same balance on the credit card she had since 1987. Deborah's APR was 24.99%, and she tried 2 times to get her rates lowered on her own. She was denied, so Deborah gave my company a try. When I called the credit card company for Deborah and asked why they wouldn't lower her interest rates, they said although she was a good customer, her balance wasn't being paid off fast enough. Deborah, of course, was shocked and insulted. Even though she was a good client and paid what the credit card company asked her to every month on time, the credit card company still would not lower her rates. I advised Deborah not to worry because I had some remedies up my sleeve to help her out. Within the next hour, Deborah and I had reduced her rates to a 4.99% fixed rate for the life of her card. We cut Deborah's minimum monthly payments in half and cut over 90 months off of her loan payments. Now, in this course, I'll show you how to lower your minimum monthly payments by lowering your interest rates on your credit cards too, but that's later in this course.